Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how Camera Pro Mode works on the Nothing phone 2nd generation. So to open the Pro Mode you have to go for the More modes and hit the Expert mode. And right now let me show you how you can adjust the parameters. So first we can start from the left side, that's the exposure compensation. Then you can adjust between +2 and -2. If you want to reset any of the parameters, you can click on this arrow or on this arrow. Then we can go to the ISO level. Next we can find shutter speed. We can set it up even for the 32 seconds. The next option that we can find is the white balance. Right here we can set the focus manually. Right here we can zoom in or zoom out. When you click and hold the preset, you will unlock this slider and you will be able to zoom into the 10 times. And when you click right here, you can just switch between the ultra wide lens and the wide lens. When you go for the upper bar, we can enable camera timer between 3 or 10 seconds. We can turn on the flashlight, the normal light or the glyph lights. And also you can change the photo format. So the photo format you can just change right here by tapping on this icon. And in the 3 dots in the right upper corner, you can also turn on or off the grid lines and switch the aspect ratio for your camera. And yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.